Hello, in this video, we'll see how to provide share page permissions in our Trupeer platform. Once the video is created, click on the Share option. Here, you'll see several options. Below that, you'll see the Only the People You Invited View option. Click on it, and you'll get several options here. The People You Invited Can View option means that only the specific person whose mail ID you invited can view this page. Another option is for a person who belongs to a particular organization. For example, if I belong to Trupeer, then that person can only view this page. Next, the Anyone with the Link feature means that if we choose this link, it will be created as a public page, and anybody can access it. If you wish to indexing this page in a search engine, just toggle on this button. It will be automatically indexed in search engines like Google, Gemini, or other platforms. Now, I will show how to invite people through the Particular Person Can View option. Select this option. Next to it, you'll see the Edit List option. Click on it, and then enter the particular user mail ID. Next, enter as many mail IDs as required. If you wish to add multiple IDs, you can do that. If you want to remove any particular mail ID, just click on the Into button. You can remove the person like this. Once done, click on the Create Page option. Now we can see that the page has been created here. Now I will show how this will work. I'm opening this in another tab. As you can see here, I'm going to some of the other tabs. Next, I will first copy this link. Then I'm opening it in a particular browser window. Now you will see the Access Denied option. At this point, I permitted only the particular person I added to the list, so only that person can access it. If I access it from a different ID account, it will not be able to access it like this. Now I will show how to update this one. Here, I've now added the similar ID and I will update the page. I need to copy the same link first. The link is copied. Now I'm opening it in a particular mail ID. See, now you can automatically view this page. Like this, you can provide share page permissions in Trupeer. Thank you.